Well, just saw the sign talking about saltwater crocodiles in the estuaries. I guess I'll have to be careful while I pitch my tent around here. Well, my last morning at Pantai Paris homestay. I'll be really sorry to put this place behind me because it's been such a nice day here, so relaxing. Good morning! And here's the complete breakfast. Homemade jam. This one is tamarind jam. Yesterday I had hibiscus jam. Best breakfast I've ever had in a homestay. So, but we're just gonna go. I need some money first, and I'm gonna fill the tank just in case I don't find a gas station along the way. Miss Susie, that's it. Yeah. You are the best hosts ever. This place, I'm going to come back here for sure. Thank you so much.
And enjoy your holiday.
I will.
And good luck with all the trip, yeah?
I will, and I hope the volcano stops spewing some ashes so you can get some clients here, because this place is fantastic.
Thank you.
Give my best to your husband when he's up, okay?
Up this evening with a smile on my face, been floating in heaven with my rock and roll dreams. When I got out of bed, the clouds began to rain. As my baby, she told me, gotta get a job, yeah. Said gotta get your head out of them clouds, baby, 'cause I won't be here for you, honey, when you fall. Listen to me call, I don't care what you say. With my guitar, I swear I'm gonna be a star. I'm going to Hollywood, 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 baby. I'll be up to no good. I walked out the door with my 6-string on my back. I see your eyes rolling as you straighten your tie. You stand there judging, you think you know it all. I'm biding my time, I know I'm gonna be a star. I'm going to Hollywood, I'm going to Hollywood, I'm going to Hollywood, yeah, that's I'm going to Hollywood. I'm going to Hollywood, baby. I'll be up to no good. Let me play my guitar then.
Sign talking about saltwater crocodiles in the estuaries. I guess I'll have to be careful while I pitch my tent around here and make sure that there aren't any saltwater crocodiles on the beach. I'll need to ask around. This is a place I can't just pitch a tent wherever I want, because there might be such things as crocodiles. Alright, I'm going to keep on riding along the coast. I'm not sure if I want to pitch my tent around here anymore. I have a thought to riding all the way to Larantuka and get on a boat to go to the next island. Not sure yet, but I'll explore around here and see what it looks like. So let's ride on.
You don't think much on me, see if I give a damn, 'cause I'll be touring the world with my rock and roll band. Think what you want, cause I know I'll be the one who'll be singing the song to cheer up your sorry life. I'm going to Hollywood. I'm going to Hollywood. I'm going to Hollywood. I'm going to Hollywood. I'm going to Hollywood, baby. I'll be up to no good. Say it one more time. I'm going to Hollywood. That's me driving my fancy car. I'm going to Hollywood. Down on Sunset Boulevard. I'm going to Hollywood, baby. I'll be up to no good. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to Hollywood, baby. I'm going to Hollywood, yeah, 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 yeah. I'm going to Hollywood. I'm going to Hollywood, baby.
Right, it turns out that
And I'll call you if
my
I
camera is covered in ashes. So yeah, there's a volcano erupting. I was told that Pantai Paris, that they weren't very busy because all the flights kept getting cancelled, and because the ashes of that volcano, which is located east of Maumere. So I'm not sure what the name of the volcano is, I'll have to look it up there, but it's been erupting for the last couple of days. And now as I'm riding through here, I see the sky is kind of like hazy, and also is difficult to breathe. And then I realize I'm covered in ashes. Look at this here. It's full of ashes all the way around. I see people walking with umbrellas and with things covering their heads because of the ashes. I'm gonna have to cover my mouth as well because I've been breathing that stuff for the last hour. So we got crocodiles and we got erupting volcanoes. What else can happen? All right, so let's ride on. Looks like we've passed the area with the ashes. Sky is getting blue again. My glasses are filthy, and so is the camera. Hi. So yeah, I'll take a little break here, have a bit of water, because my throat is a bit dry because of all this ash I've been breathing, I guess. Very strange, first time this happens to me. It's been erupting for quite some time now. And the ash is everywhere, yeah. I needed to get some water. My throat was totally dry. So we'll keep on riding on this road and see what happens. All right, let's ride on.
Kejaya mimpiku, seret anganku ke dalam duniamu. Aku terbuai dalam pelukmu.
I've been having such a great time riding this little road on the north coast of Flores. Really happy I took that road. Lots of small fishing villages along the way, beautiful beaches, totally untouched. And I'm hearing some bird back there that's very strange. I think if I can find a place to get some food, even if it's just like raw fish that I can cook myself, I'd like to spend the night on this beach and just chill. It's really nice, really quiet.
Halus tubuhmu, mulus jemarimu saat kau menyentuhku. Nyalakan api dalam jiwaku. Oh yeah.
Apa kabar? Ya, Ya. Ada warung dekat sini. Warung. Mau beli makanan. Halo Pak.
Di atas.
Di atas sana ya. Jauh dari sini?
Mau kemana?
Saya cari warung sekarang.
Ada orang mati, ada orang
atas.
meninggal.
Oh, oke.
Atas belok. Ada pom habis di sampingnya.
Ke atas, belok kiri.
Ini ke sana.
Kiri ke sana.
Larantuka, ya.
Bukan
Jauh dari sini? Oh, langsung oke.
Jalan besar.
Oh, oke.
Di apa? Kantor bis di depan.
Hey, cheers. Halo Bu. Makanan ada?
Ada.
Ada makan apa?
Ikan.
Halo, ikan, oke. Sama nasi ya?
Iya.
Oke, ya.
Dulu.
Oke, ya, terima kasih. I think I'm gonna take some to go as well, so that if I find a beach later on, then I can just stay on the beach. That's the plan right now. I'll try to maybe fill my water as well. So today we've got some fish, some rice, some vegetables, tomato sambal, and some sort of soup. That was a nice lunch, quite enjoyable. I've checked the map and there's a couple more beaches going up, so I'm gonna just go up the road, and if I find a place to stop I will. If not, we'll just make it all the way to Larantuka. As usual, no plan, we do what we do, and if I find a place to stop, then hopefully it'll be a nice one. Alright, let's ride on.
Basah bibirmu, desa nafasmu terasa memburu, bawa gairahku terbang ke langit ketujuh. Rintihan asmara berbisik merayu saat ku mendekapmu. Kita tenggelam di samudra cinta. Oh yeah. Gelora hasratku bercampur peluh. Aku melompat tinggi ke angkasa saat rindu semakin nyata. Ku percaya cintamu ada. Terhempas tubuhku terseret awan, tersadar semua telah berlalu. Terkulaiku di sampingmu. Rintihan asmara.
Not the easiest road. Not sure if I'm gonna find something around here. Wonder what this structure is. Maybe some sort of voodoo stuff. Nah, we'll carry on. I'm sure I'll find something better up there. It's a bit tougher than I expected it to be. I'm not totally enjoying it, the up and down on that loose gravel. So well, we got about 10 kilometers left to do, so let's move on. Let's ride on.
Gelora hasratku bercampur peluh. Aku melompat tinggi ke angkasa saat rindu semakin nyata.
lucky day again. I kept going and going, hoping that I'd find something nice, and then I realized that this road is actually a dead end. So I didn't push on to the end, just turned around. Don't know what we'll do. It's right now pretty late. 3:16. I got about 2 hours to find a place, so again at the last minute. I don't know, hopefully I'll find a good place. All right, let's ride on.
Semuanya telah berakhir di sini. Tinggalkan luka di akhir cerita. Cerita cinta yang takkan pernah ku lupa. Bunga yang tumbuh di dalam hatiku telah mati saat engkau pergi. Tinggalkan aku yang larut dalam sedih. Bluesku ku nyanyikan untukmu agar engkau tahu. Bluesku lagu blues untuk bungaku yang telah lama mati.
I managed to find a spot just before it was too late. Well, looks like I've done it again. Found a spot, perfect, just before nightfall. And got plenty of time to set up. Here we go. Don't worry, I thought, will these waves come any higher? I checked the tide is on its way down, so I should be good. Cross our fingers. So this is the site. Okay, now one last thing I need to do to make sure my camp is set, and that's to inflate my brand new mattress. I am so excited. I have no idea how it inflates. Alright, so far it looks like the other one.
Well, I hope you liked this journey, and if you did, please don't forget to click like, subscribe to my channel, and write me a comment. I always love to hear from you guys. And I do hope to meet you out there. And until we do, like they say around here, sampai jumpa lagi.
Here we go. That's what it looks like. Nice. Let's put a bed sheet on it. There we go. This is my bed for tonight. Brilliant. I'm looking so forward to trying it. So happy. I'm so confident this is going to work. No more waking up on hard ground. Yes. All right. Now time to sit back and chill.